In this video, we will see how we can reset our WordPress website. As you can see here, this is our website. Now I want to reset that website. So I want to delete everything from this website. So how can I do this? So first of all, log in into your website. Now here in the left side, you will see the plugin option, and let's click on the add new plugin and just search here WP reset. Install this plugin. Now click on activate. Now, as you can see here, this plugin has the option Open WP Reset Tool. Just click on this. Now, just click on here or just scroll down. Okay. Now, you can see the side reset. You just need to disable this also. Let's type here reset. Okay. Let me show you the website again. First, let's try to open this website here. This is our website. Okay. Now, let's go to here and click on reset site. Reset WordPress. Now it's done. Let's open our website and let's see how this will look. It's a new WordPress website. Now you can start from scratch. Okay, so that's the overall thing. If you need any help on that, just comment on the video. I will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.